Do you use to get involved in various transactions, reorganizations, or other business where many different people need to be involved and where it sometimes can be difficult to get an overview of everything that is outstanding? Who does what and when? These processes are often handled by law firms where lawyers follow up status in different parts, produce and update checklists for different actions, keep track of the latest versions of different documents, and make sure everything is in place. If the transaction is large, the costs for this may seem negligible, but lawyers usually cost several €100 per hour, so it is not justified that this type of administrative work should cost so much when it is possible to set up the relevant conditions quickly in a system that can then keep track of all actions. GreenCounsel has developed a robot to automate workflows online. The robot handles the workflows based on different modules that are put together in different flows based on a predefined plan for each workflow that takes users from start to finish based on how the individual matter develops. GreenCounsel's negotiation platform is a module that can be used in such workflows. The module enables companies to negotiate and reach agreements in complex transactions in a structured way where a lot of documentation must be created, reviewed, negotiated, and signed in order to get the deal together. If you insert the negotiation module into a workflow, a tailor-made document package can also be generated based on which final negotiation thereafter can take place in the module. GreenCounsel's negotiation module consists of functionality for setting up a checklist with actions and documentation that must be completed, approved, and finally signed if necessary. Everything is done online in our cloud service so that those who need to participate in the process can take action where their participation is needed. Those who are to create or fix something, those who are to review, those who are to sign something, are invited to do so, while the person who organizes the negotiation can edit the checklist and, based on a Kanban model, ensure that the work is constantly progressing and can keep track of the status of the various parts without having to spend time producing checklists and manually overseeing all outstanding actions. There is built-in functionality for version management so that you can easily see who has uploaded which version and when, and to make document comparisons so that you can see what changes have been made between different versions, which facilitates review and the negotiation. Do you also want to streamline how your company handles the negotiations in various standardized transactions to create more overview, order, and reduction of costs? Book a free demo of GreenCounsel's cloud platform to hear more about the possibilities.